Hello friend, so till here we have successfully tracked our shot. Now just I am going to export these tracking data for Nuke. Okay, after this we will compose this shot in Nuke. Okay, so just for this, first select your tracking layer. Downside you will see export tracking data. So just simply click on export tracking data. Then in drop down in format option you have to select Nuke corner pinning. Okay, now from here just you have to select Nuke corner pin. Okay, then select this one. Then again here also two options are there. First copy to clipboard, then second one is save. Now first just I am going to save our data, then we will explain both options, how to use copy to clipboard also. Okay, then first click on save. Then here just select your folder. Then I am going to give a name laptop_update like this. Okay, then just check your folder, this is your folder. Okay, now just click on save. Now after that just open Nuke. Now here I am in Nuke. So first import your original footages, then simply click on image, then click on read node, then select your original footages. Now here this is your original footage, then select and click on open. Now see, just view this one. Now okay, so in this footage first we have to correct our pixel aspect ratio, which is 1.5. okay, so now first we have to just reformat this. Okay, so just double click on your footage. In format option just simply click here, and downside you have to edit this one. Okay, now simply click on edit, then simply give a name. So any name you can give here. Okay, now pixel aspect, so this is important, you have to type 1.5, then just simply click on OK. Now see, now here you have successfully corrected your pixel aspect ratio. Okay, now your footage is looking good. Okay, now after this just we have to import our tracking data which we have saved in our folder. Then simply just open your folder first. Now you will see here, so this file we have saved from Mocha. Okay, then just simply select and drag and drop. Now just select and drag and drop. Okay, this is your saved file. Okay, now just minimize this one. Now okay, after that just you have to import any images or video which you want to place here. Then simply again you can drag and drop, or simply you can import from read node. Okay, then select your folder because this is image sequence, then just simply drag and drop. Now just press 1, select your footage, then press 1. Now here you will see this is your footages. Okay, now again just, so first just select this one, now press 1. Now here you will see, so this is your original footage, and this footage just I am going to place onto the screens area. Okay, so before starting your composting, first just we have to reformat this footage. Okay, according to your original footage size. Okay, on which we have to compose. Okay, then just simply select. Now just press tab and reformat node. Okay, now in output format you have to select edited format, which is HD Pro. Okay, with aspect ratio 1.5. Okay, now here you have also reformatted your footages. Okay, now after that just simply select your corner pinning node, just attach. Now just after this simply take a merge node, then background, then foreground. Now here you will see. Okay, now here you have successfully placed your screens or images onto your screens area. Okay, now just see and check. Now here you will see your screens is following according to your screen's motion, but the hand is under the footages or images. So here, so for correct this one we have to first remove our chroma. Okay, now here see this one, so this is your chroma footage. Okay, so first we have to remove our chroma, then we have to compose. Okay, so I have already removed chroma with the help of some keyers. Now here you will see, Now here you will see I have already removed this chroma with the help of primate. So you can remove this chroma with the help of any other keyers. Okay, now just simply select all nodes, Control C, copy, then simply paste here, Control V. So you can also remove your chroma with the help of any keyers. Okay, now just see, press 1. Okay, now just simply unplug this one and attached to your removed chroma footage. Okay, now just check again. Now just select merger and press 1. Now here you will see, now here this is again same as before. Now we have to just switch over these inputs. Okay, because if you will see here, now press 1, this black area is transparent. Okay, so just simply just press 1 on your merger, then only just you have to switch. Okay, so which is B you have to make A, and which is A you have to make B. Okay, now just unplug like this, and now this footage, okay, we have to make as a B background, and this one we have to use as a foreground. Okay, now finally you will see you have successfully placed your footages with all corrections. Okay, now just little bit move it here. Now just adjust your nodes graph. Now here you will see perfect. So this is your placed footage and this is your original footage. Now just play and check. So just play and check. Now see, so till here we have successfully placed our screens. Okay, so just save your project, click on save and give any name, then save it. Now just play and check. Now just adjust your timeline according to your original footage's time. Okay, just double click if you want to check. You can see this is 160 frame. Okay, now simply just press S and type 160 frame. Okay, now just play and check. Finally, now just stop. So after that you can make it better with the help of other color corrections, all these things. Okay, now one more important thing, suppose if you want to just copy your data with the help of clipboard, okay, then how to use? Now just see here only. Now just come in again Mocha. So again just select your tracking layer. Now just click on export tracking data. Now simply just here you have to select new corner pinning, same. Now here just click on copy to clipboard. Now just click, then after this again come in nuke. Now just simply Control V, paste this one, Control V. Okay, now here you have successfully placed. Now just simply I am going to remove this one only. Okay, now just simply select this one and press Control Shift X, means exit node. Okay, after this just simply select this one and attach your this node. Okay, now see, so both are correct. Okay, so with the help of both methods you have successfully placed your screens. Okay, now just move little bit here. Now just play and check. Okay, so both are correct, both are perfect. Okay, now suppose after this if you want to little bit adjust your perspective, which you have placed your video or images before this corner pinning, you can place another corner pinning if you want to adjust your perspective in new. So just select this one and press tab corner pin, same. Now this is optional. So in future, suppose if you want to adjust your this screen's perspective, then you can simply with the help of this corner pinning you can adjust. Now see, double click. Now if you want to see, then see. Now here you are going to see. Okay, see. Okay, so with the help of this corner pinning you can adjust your footages in nuke also. Now just press only simply D. So just I have disabled here. So now just play and check. So first remove this one, little bit maximize this one. Now finally just play and check your composting. Okay, perfect. Okay, so till here we have successfully composed our shot. So if you like this video, please watch it and support us and share this video to others also.